Well, guys, this is after we got some rain. I showed you before, and here's how they look now. Some of the leaves and stuff like that. They seem to be kind of curled up, even if it's kind of cooled down here. Before it was really hot. I mean, you saw me, I was sweating. And so these guys right here are looking okay.
Yeah, there's some new growth there too.
There's also a new growth on here.
Actually, a lot.
As you can see down in there, some new growth. New growth there.
All over.
Yeah. And so it's starting to rain a little bit. So here's some new growth here. Alright, and there's some new growth there. And guys, it's really starting to rain here. Here's some new growth there. So I'm just going to go back and review the video. And I mean, it's not going to work that fast, but I mean, hey, I don't know. You guys tell me. I don't think so. I don't know. But yeah. So as we continue on this journey, we will go ahead and keep you guys updated. All right. Bye.